This holiday season, bring some joy into your baking with these fun Santa hats. Get everyone involved with creating their own versions of these ooey gooey festive brownies. Alright, first let's preheat our oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm using a 9x9 inch square pan. I'll link it down below. We're going to prep our pan with parchment paper. This will allow you to just pull the brownies out from the edges when they are done baking. Next, I'm going to spray down the pan with some pan baking spray. This will ensure nothing gets stuck to the sides. Let's start by measuring our eggs. Next up is the canola oil. Pour this straight into the eggs with some vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, we're measuring out our sugar. In the same bowl, you can measure the flour as well as the cocoa powder. In a separate bowl, we're going to measure out our chocolate chips. Half will be melted, half will be whole. Lastly, let's measure out our whipping cream. Alright, begin to whisk the egg mixture together until it's incorporated. And then we are going to add our melted chocolate and mix that into this. Quickly stir together your dry ingredients and add the egg mixture to this bowl. Add your cream as well and begin to stir. Now it's going to be tough with a spatula, so I do get a whisk, which makes it a lot easier to incorporate together. She's going to be a thick one, so don't be worried. Now we're going to add the whole chocolate chips and fold them into this batter. You're going to go into your greased pan and into the oven for 30 minutes. Depending on your oven, it could take up to 40 minutes, but please do not overcook them because you want your brownie to be fudgy in the center. Here she is. Now I'm going to begin cutting these into squares and cutting those on a diagonal to make the Santa hat. Can you tell how fudgy they are? Now I'm going to begin piping my hats. Now you could get creative, do it in any which way color you'd like, but I went for the basic Santa hat color. Also keep in mind I am using a basic American buttercream. I will put the recipe down below. I will also let you know which piping tips I am using. I hope you all enjoy this video. Thank you so much for coming. I hope to see you on day 4 of our holiday baking journey together. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will know when the next recipe comes out.